Stylized beasts look simple until you actually try to design one. Today, I'll show you how I transfer real animals into believable stylized creatures. For this process, I start by choosing a real animal as a foundation. The hound is perfect. Narrow body, long legs, and naturally aggressive silhouette. I don't change the body too much at first. Instead, I jump straight into facial thumbnails. I begin with random triangular shapes. Triangles feel sharp, dangerous, almost satanic. Then I force my lines to live inside those shapes. This helps control the mood while keeping the design intentional. At the same time, I keep the hound's body simple, just stylized. I add details that echo the face, making the whole creature feel connected. To understand the volume better, I slightly rotate the form in space. Now, to truly introduce a creature, it needs a word that belongs to it. I start with environment thumbnails, then move into a full scene. I choose a rocky ground. Hard edges reinforce the aggressive mood. To place the beast correctly, I block everything in using simple geometry. Redrawing is crucial. Nothing works perfectly the first time. Those thorns along the back sit directly on the spinal cord. They follow the anatomy, not just decoration. I add fog in the background to introduce mystery and depth. Then I use hatching to describe shadows. Closer objects get thicker lines, distant ones thinner. This pushes the sense of perspective. Now I introduce color. I build the atmosphere with clouds in the distance and low fog crawling along the rocks. Next, I design a second beast, still inspired by the hound. This time, I push the proportions harder and exaggerate the silhouette. I draw a clean outline around the shape and add details to make everything readable and easy to evaluate. Once again, I place the creature into a scene. This time the beast is chasing someone. I place the victim directly on the vanishing point to pull the viewer's attention instantly. One-point perspective helps exaggerate motion along with moving elements like dust trails and clouds. Hard edges return, reinforcing tension and danger. And that's it. From a real animal to a stylized beast that feels alive.